Hello friends, this is Saket here and I have this LeTv Max 2 in my hand, and I am using this device because among all my devices this is the only device which have its name in device compatibility list for Asphalt 9. So I have already put Asphalt 9 for downloading about half an hour ago, and I think that it's almost downloaded. Oh great, it's installing. So before its installation is finished, let me tell you about the content in this video. I have done a race with this MITSUBISHI Lancer, and you will find these following cars running on road, like this BMW Z4, and it will followed by Chevrolet CAMARO, and then followed by Nissan 370Z. And if you subscribe my channel, you will find this Lamborghini Centurio running on roads in my future videos. So our game is installed now and ready to play. Let's open it and allow it some permissions which is needed, and you need to wait for a few seconds because it's an online game and it will not work for seconds or two without internet connection. So let's have a race in my career mode. Choose level, location and your favorite car. And just start race. And you need to again wait for a few seconds to load. I am also very excited to play this game because I have heard lots of good things about this game. As you can see, the graphics of the game is quite good, and if you compare it with Asphalt 8, it is better than that. And if you can't see the graphics, please try to switch your resolution to 720p or 1080p. And as my phone is a 1.5 year old, it may lag sometime, please don't mind. And it also has a new stunt called 360 spin, which can be done just by double pressing the brakes, just like this. Oh come on man, I know how to drift. Yes, I come first again as usual. So let's come to the best part of this game, which is the replay of your race. You can see your stunts or the whole race from any angle you wish, just like this, from back side, front side, or any side you wish. So moving to our next car, which is BMW Z4. I have also done a race with this car, and one more thing I like in this game is that all the cars are good, no matter they are locked or unlocked. Even this BMW is the second car that you will get in this game. So moving to our next car, which is Chevrolet Camaro. When you see the play, it seems that you are watching any movie because the graphics are quite cool. And and the stunt 360 spin can also be done in air. Let me show you. Yes, like this. And moving to my next car, Nissan 370Z. It is also one of my favorite car. And one more thing which I would like to tell you about this game is when a car becomes dirty, it looks like real, as you can see here that it's quite realistic. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, not for me, at least for this Lamborghini. So keep watching, and you can check my other videos here.